If you are needing more help or if you have been assigned the Reteach for 7.1, then please make sure you watch this video. So we're going to be reviewing how we convert percentages, so numbers into a percent. So it's really important that we remember that a percent always is going to compare it to 100. So you can kind of think of it as, right, here's the 2 zeros on your 100. A percent is always, always, always out of 100. So you can convert a ratio into a percent by dividing the two numbers in the ratio and then multiplying the result by 100. So that's one way you can do it. We're going to talk about another way as well. So if we have 30 out of 100, that's in the hundredths place, 30 hundredths, which is 30%. You have 30% of the whole thing. So let's look at some examples here. So we're going to look at two different ways you can solve these percent problems, and you can use either way that works for you. So in a stained glass window, 12 of the panes are red. So we've got 12 red and 13 of the panes are blue. What percentage of the panes are blue? So we're comparing blue to the total. So we can see we have 13 blue and we have 12 plus 13 to make the total of 25. So we have 13 blue to 25 total. So it asked us to divide because 13 over 25 is just a division problem. So if I take 13 and if I divide it by 25 here, so it can't go into 1 and it can't go into 13. So we can add some decimal places to get here. So 25 goes into 130. It's like quarters. 25, 50, 75, 100, 125. So that goes in there 5 times, which is 125. 5 left over, bring down the 0, 2. So 0.52. And then when I times this by 100, remember a percent is always out of 100, we get 52%. So 52% of the panes in the window are blue. So that's one way you can do it. Another way is to set up equivalent ratios. So let's try that. So on a quiz, Jasmine got 22 out of 25. So here's the part she got right. Here's the total questions. And we're going to change it to a percent. So remember, percent always needs to be out of 100. So we'll put 100 on the bottom. So now I can ask myself, how did I get from 25 to 100? Well, we multiplied by 4. So 22 times 4 is 88. When I have 88 out of 100, we have 88%. So two ways you can either divide the problem, it will be a decimal number, and then move your decimal 2 places by timesing by 100. So, or we can set up the ratio, set it up out of 100, and see what the missing piece is. We can also 22, set this up again, 22 over 25 equals what percent out of 100? So if I'm looking to get P all by itself, the opposite of divide by 100 is to times by 100, and that cancels this out on this side, and then we're doing it over here, which gave us 100 times 22 divided by 25 equals P. Either way, we're getting 88%. So go ahead and try your reteach, and if you have any questions, let me know what I can do to help you.